Abrak, stuffed grape leaves. A main dish from Libya. Serves 2. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Add rice to half pint boiling water. Step 2. Add lamb, onion, tomato, 1/4 cup melted butter, salt, pepper, and parsley. Mix well. Step 3. Place a grape leaf shiny side down. Place an NBSP, 1 to 2 teaspoons of the filling at the bottom of the leaf, where the stem joined, and roll leaf up once. Fold sides into the middle and continue
Step
to roll
4.
to form a small packet. Place stuffed leaf in a baking dish. And NBSP. Repeat until all leaves and stuffing is used. Step 5. Add remaining butter and juice from the lemon. Step 6. Cover and cook over low heat for 35 minutes. Step 7. Remove from heat and let sit for 20 minutes. Step 8. Serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.